2000 2081 02 24. Today is Thursday, right? Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday, and today there are some of the presentators from grade 8, right? So let me welcome on the stage to present Jain Lama.
Namaskar and very warm good morning. As you all know, it's Jain Lama from grade. It's me, Jain Lama from grade 8. I'm here to give a presentation on chapter 3's give reasons. Question number 5, give reasons. So, without wasting time, I'd like to start the topic. Question number 5, give reasons. The first question is: cell is known as the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is known as the structural and functional unit of life because cell combine to form tissues, which further combine to make organs, and which further combine to make the whole body. Cells are the basic unit of life. They are the basic building blocks of life. They do many functions of in our body. The organisms are either unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular meaning only the cells that are having one, and multicellular organisms are the organisms that have multiple cells or millions of cells. The next question is: mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell because it is responsible for the extracting energy from food through cellular respiration, where energy in the form of ATP adenosine triphosphate is generated as a result of oxidation of food constituents. Because of mitochondria, the cell extracts energy from the food. The next question is: ribosomes are known as protein factories of a cell. Ribosomes are known as protein factories of a cell because they produce proteins from amino acids by a process called protein synthesis. Therefore, ribosomes are called protein factories as they synthesize proteins. Next question is: nucleus is the brain of the cell. Nucleus is the brain of the cell because the nucleus controls the cell and directs and regulates the cell's functions like cellular metabolism, many things such as development and metabolism, and houses the genes which hold the cell's genetic information.
Thank you very much. So you haven't made any animation. So if you have made animation, that's better. So with the next presentation, give it to them. The questions for him were give reasons, right? How many give reasons were asked to him or provided to him? 4. One is: cell is known as the structural and functional unit of life, right? So what did I write here? Cells are structural units as they form the structure of organisms. Organisms cannot be formed in the absence of cell. Cells combine and what is formed? Tissue. Tissues combine and what is they form? An organs group it can form, organ system. Then all activities are done. See, in morning time, did you have some food or not? And that food was injected in our mouth. Now digestion is going on inside the alimentary canal, and much more nutrients they are absorbed, and later on waste material is thrown outside. That is because of one system. You can notice the flow of blood, right? Just you press over here, you can see something is flowing there, right? Blood keeps on flowing every time. That is also because of one system, blood circulatory system, right? We are inhaling and exhaling. That is also one system. What is that system called? Respiratory system, right? So all those systems, they are formed of cells. That's why it is structural and functional unit. What is second question? Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of cell. What is done in powerhouse? energy is produced. Yes or no? See, the fan is working here. Is the fan working or not? It's because of powerhouse activity. Powerhouses are somewhere else, far away from here. What is produced? Electricity is produced. The electricity comes to us, and that fan is working. Even our smart board is also working because of electricity. When we switch it off, then will it work? No. So mitochondria is powerhouse of cell because it stores energy as well as it releases energy. Stores energy and releases energy. But how is energy produced inside the body? Energy is produced inside the body because of breaking down of food. Because of breaking down of food. Let me show you one reaction. The reaction is like this. C6H12O6. It is glucose. What is it? Glucose. Then it breaks down in presence of what? Oxygen. This is called respiration. What do you call it? Respiration. And what is formed here? CO2, carbon dioxide, H2O, water, and what is here? Energy. That energy is stored where? In mitochondria. When it is needed, see, to move my hands, to look at you, to show my action, what is needed? Energy is needed. Without energy, we cannot do anything. When we fall sick, then there is less amount of energy, then it becomes difficult for us to walk out, right? Even to go toilet also we need helper. Mommy, I cannot. Okay, let's go together. All right. And what is third one? Ribosomes are the protein factories of a cell. Ribosomes, what do? They produce protein from amino acid and they synthesize, they store. Actually, ribosome is the place or part where more and more protein is stored. Right? And why do we need protein? Protein is needed for our growth. Okay. Now next one is, what is the last question? Nucleus is called the brain of cell. Brain of cell. Why is it called the brain of cell? It directs and regulates the cell's functions. All the functions of cell are controlled by nucleus. All the organs functions are controlled by our brain. That's why brain is called master organ. What is it called? Master organ. If the brain does not function well, then can we carry out the works effectively? No chance. In the same way, nucleus also controls the functions of all the other parts. So it is called brain of cell. Okay, now it's the turn of which turn? Priyanshi Shrestha. Let's welcome her on the stage.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me Priyanshi Jestha from grade 8, standing here in front of you to discuss about some questions.
When did you send? Could you remember the date?
June 2.
June?
2.
June 2 means I think let's click that another one next year. Yes, because it must be here. Just a minute, I will just make a bit bigger. Please go that side. Come on.
Today I am going to discuss about plant cell are regular in shape. Nucleus is called control center of a cell. Lysosome is considered as a suicidal bag. Plant cells are regular in shape. Plant cells are regular in shape because it contains cell wall in it, which gives the defined shape to the cell. As you can see in this figure, the outermost layer of the plant cell is called cell wall. So
What do you want?
cell wall. This is cell wall. It is present in plant cell. It gives shape to a cell. The second question is nucleus is called control center of cell. Nucleus is called control center of cell because it contains and conducts all the type of activities done inside the cell. The figure shown here is nucleus. Lysosome is considered. The third question is lysosome is considered as a suicidal bag. Lysosome is considered as a suicidal bag because sometimes their digestive enzymes damage the lysosome themselves, and this can also cause cell to die. This is lysosome. So when digestive enzymes damage the lysosome themselves, and because of that cells die. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Priyanshi. So, in Priyanshi's, there were three reasonable questions, right? So, this is the diagram of plant cell. What is this? Plant cell. And the outermost layer is cell wall. And cell wall is made up of cellulose. Because of cellulose, it is rigid. It cannot bend. It is straight. So, shape of the plant cell is regular here. Plant cells are regular in shape because it contains cell wall in it, which gives the definite shape of a cell, because cell wall is rigid. Okay. Second one is nucleus is called control center of cell. Nucleus is called control center of the cell because it controls and conducts all the types of activities done inside the cell. Nucleus is also called brain of cell, we have discussed, right? Either brain you say or control center, whatever you say. Without the instruction of nucleus, other parts they may not function effectively. Okay. And what is the third one? Lysosome is considered as a suicidal bag. Suicidal. What do the people do during suicide? They finish their life or not? Same thing. In case of lysosome also, this is the diagram of lysosome. Inside the lysosome there are some enzymes, some chemicals, highly poisonous. If the lysosome bursts, then other parts also they will be killed. They die. If other parts die, cell also dies. That's why it is called suicidal bag. Thank you very much, Priyanshi. Now it's the turn of Yunis.
Sir.
Start.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to everyone. It's me Yunis Kissing from grade 8, your friend, and I am standing here to explain about the structures of a plant cell and an animal cell. First, I would like to start with the animal cell. In animal cell, as you can see in this diagram, there are very crucial parts for living, Lysosome, it is also considered as the suicidal bag as it contains enzymes which are highly poisonous elements in a lysosome. Mitochondria, it produces energy and is also known as the energy house. Cytoplasm, ribosome, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, centrosome, Golgi apparatus, cell membrane, and cell wall. So the question I got to discuss was visiting a science laboratory with my science teacher and then explaining what I saw there through a microscope. So in an animal cell there are mostly its outer covering is known as cell membrane. As given in here, cell membrane is a very thin, elastic, selective permeable living membrane. So it is the outer layer of an animal cell. For instance, this is the animal cell with all its different parts, and this outer layer is called cell membrane. In cell membrane, a cell membrane can be also called a plasma membrane or plasmaleum. The functions of cell membrane are given as follows. It protects the protoplasm of the cell.
Keep your hand down.
It protects the protoplasm.
You are going to sleep now. Take back my stick.
It protects the protoplasm as it is the outer layer and outer covering of the cell. The another part is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a living jelly-like viscous translucent substance. As shown in the figure, a cytoplasm is a living jelly-like viscous translucent substance. So it is see-through. It fills up the space between the nucleus and the cell membrane. So thus, as here is a animal cell and here is a nucleus, it fills up the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus.
See what's happened?
The following are some of its main functions. It is the site of all cell organelles and it is the most of the biochemical reactions of life process like respiration, photosynthesis, circulation, etc. occur in the cytoplasm. As it says, it helps in life processes like respiration, photosynthesis, circulation, etc.
Okay. Now just show the plant cell and tell some of the parts, and you can go. Why are you biting your tie, boy? Are you class captain or not? And these are good habit to bite. Okay. But no, the plant cell figure only. Let's go.
Figure only.
Figure only. What is it? Yes.
And the other part is the plant cell. Plant cell is mostly like animal cell, but there are some major differences, like it contains chloroplast but the animal cell does not, and it contains cell wall. Cell wall is the outermost double layered substance that gives the plant cell its unique rectangular shape, as the animal cell does not have it. It is mostly round in shape. As given here, there are some differences and similarities between animal cell and plant cell. Both of the animal cell and plant cell contain nucleus, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, mitochondrion, rough and smooth, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, etc. And the things that this plant cell only contains are cell wall. It contains a large vacuole, chloroplast, flagella only in gametes. It contains chloroplast as it gives the green pigments to the plants. Thanks.
Thank you very much. No, this boy is very smart in explaining this and that, but he is very lazy in writing, right?
Yes, sir.
And I hope from today you will change his habit and make everything up to date, okay?
Okay.
So please make everybody, those who were defaulters of today, must not continue again. Understood? Now which turn? Sorry? Okay. Now let's welcome on the stage Amrit Kumar. I saw last time Amrit's presentation also. When did you send Amrit? They are very smart. Hey, what is going on there? Amrit, either you can stay that side or this side. I think it is better, yeah.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me Amrit Kumar, your friend, and I am going to
Your leg you keep correctly. Why are
I
you
am going to present a diagrammatic question. It is the number D, part of mitochondria. As you all know about mitochondria, mitochondria has 8 parts. Short notes of mitochondria. Mitochondria are the cell organelles of both plant and animal found in animal cell and plant cell. They are found throughout the cytoplasm. Mitochondria are found in variable shapes in different organisms. Part of mitochondria are junction, oxysomes, intermembrane space, outer membrane, inner membrane, ribosomes, DNA matrix, no, I attached 3 5.
You have sent another also?
Yeah.
So let's check. Yeah, so
No, in one there was 4.
Amrit Kumar, it is here, right? This is Jestha. Why does it take long time? Here are 2 slides. Here also?
Yes, so there was
No, where is next?
3 5.
3, 4. Let's see in spam also. Sometimes it may be in spam. Is here?
Yes, sir.
Is your name? No. Then you have sent only that much. Only two are there. And why did you make like this? Where are the figures?
No, I attached figures also there.
Figures also? Okay, let me download these ones. After downloading, we can find out whether figures are there or not, right? Why ODP? You have to do in okay, so what is downloaded? How many slides, right? It must be PPTX. Hello boy, why ODP is coming? My doing that one, then it will be nice. What is the which one to apply? This is the one? This is the one?
No.
Okay, slide show. From beginning. This is one, right?
Yes. This
Okay, look at here. What he has done?
Crystallization is located at here of mitochondria. Oxygen is located at
No, not this one. And next. So next one.
intermembrane space is located at here of mitochondria. Outer membrane is located here. Inner membrane is located at here. These lines. Ribosomes are located at these dots are ribosomes. DNA is like these lines. Matrix are located at here.
Okay, thank you very much. So, Amrit Kumar, he has brought this one. Now see, I want to show you this one here. What a lovely diagram is here. Cell, you are going to bite that ball pin again? Throw it down. No minor common sense. He is the vice captain. Cell itself is very small in size. Again, nucleus is more smaller. Mitochondria are more smaller. And mitochondria, so this it is seen with the help of electron microscope. With the help of? And mitochondria is also called powerhouse of cell, and it contains different parts. Here, Christie junction, oxygen, intermembrane space. Here is this one, outer membrane space, this outer side, inner membrane space, inner one, and ribosome. Ribosome. What is the other name of ribosome? Protein factory. Those things you have to remember. Okay. Okay, children. Now tomorrow is Friday. Very lovely day. We'll go for practical. And Sunday's presentation. We are going to do present on Sunday. Who are they? Prayas. Prayas Tenzing also. And next? Only two? Okay, please give me your book. Okay, three. Now I will see in this Jodo up to where we have discussed. Okay, answer the following question. Already done, right? Give reasons completed. Okay, what is your today's homework? This give reasons you complete, and diagrammatic question also you do it. This is done. So which duty is to do this? Prayas. And this study given diagram, which is this? Tenzing. And write the name of this one. Which this? Oh, he got this one, right. Then, okay. Prayas, Tenzing, and who is next? Mohan's. Their duty over, right? And then whose roll number is after Mohan? Tenzing. Then Rakshak. So your duty. Now Mohan's duty is already there. And after Mohan your turn. We are coming from back, right? Mohan Rakshak. Rakshak you have to do up to classification of organisms up to here. Proposed by this one. Okay? And what is next? Whose turn? Before him? Sarvani. Classification of living beings. This chart. Two kingdom system. Up to sexual methods. Okay? They haven't done? Okay. Who hasn't done? Kishore, has he done? Kishore said, okay. For Kishore, this one. For Kishore, this one. Look at here. Look at your book. Page number 64. Mark it there. Page number 64, 65. Page number 61 and 65, Kishore and Janice. Page number 66, page number 67, 66, 67, Janice. Okay? And Eric, I think his presentation was there. Which one? Eli and Ritik are there. How will you do? You have got mobile, yes, you will do. And you also do together. So, Ritik and Eli. Okay, Ritik. This one, page number 68 and 69. Ritik. And page number 70 and page number 71, Eli. Mark there. Why is it doing like that? Then work will be done effectively. So Sunday, your presentation is on Sunday. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.